SPAUN Electronic Limited, number 1 worldwide for communication and satellite engineering, made in Germany. SPAUN Electronic Limited is the leading specialist for satellite IF distribution with headquarters in Singen near Lake Constance, Germany. SPAUN Electronic is represented through distribution partners in more than 30 countries worldwide. SPAUN products are only available from specialized retailers with trained personnel. During the 70s and 80s, this former one-man enterprise developed and produced mainly for well-known companies in the field of satellite communication technology. In the early 90s, SPAUN Electronics Limited decided to produce and market their proprietary developments under their own label. SPAUN's challenge in form of a cascadable multi-switch distribution system expandable for up to 32 receivers was an international sensation at the IFA in Berlin. Since that time, SPAUN Electronic has always been one step ahead in development and launch of innovative products. The creative and high-quality craftsmanship of the SPAUN team is the result of a grown and well-thought-out company structure. SPAUN Electronic stands for Made in Germany. Well-skilled and motivated employees contribute in a large part to that. The technical machinery and production components are always state-of-the-art technology. Like this double head insertion machine made by Yuki, for example. When it comes to supplies, SPAUN collaborates with strong partners. Electronic components are obtained from Samsung and Philips. Constant control after each production step guarantees absolute reliability. Only production units that can fulfill SPAUN's technical specifications will be used to maintain the highest level of quality that SPAUN Electronics stands for. Ecological aspects are important during the production process. When acquiring the soldering machine, it was important that lead-free tin solder could be used for production. SPAUN does not relocate mechanical production to cheap labor countries. Assembly of all mechanic and electronic components are done at the German factory in Singen. This is the only way to assure a flawless production process to maintain the standard of quality. Even a large amount of mechanical components is produced on site. Frames and parts of the box are produced in the adjacent punching shop just on demand. Here, as well as in other parts of the production facility, bright daylight provides optimum working conditions for about 120 workers. SPAUN Electronics uses a rotation process with manual labor for assembly of individual components. After inserting the circuit boards into parts of the frames, follow-up tests are performed for each unit that has been produced by SPAUN. These tests take place inside a huge measuring department with equipment designed exclusively for checking performance and quality. The units will only be approved to enter any further production process after successful tests. Employees and management form one unit at SPAUN Electronic. The assembly of the upper and lower covers are subject to special diligence since they are also the deciding component for shielding an electronic device. A further function test is performed in the next step to live up to the high expectations of brand name quality. The power supply is installed at the end of the production chain. An additional function test is performed again here, directly at the workplace. There are no random tests at SPAUN Electronic. All of the units, depending on their specifications, have to undergo various safety checks. Like here, for example, a surge protection test for up to 3000 volts. This is the only way SPAUN Electronic can offer the quality that customers have come to expect, expand on it, and, with their 5-year warranty, leave all other competitors way behind. The very own SPAUN Call and Competency Center is not only a telephone number somewhere near or far. Here at headquarters in Singen, experienced technicians are not only available to answer simple questions, they also provide solutions for complex distribution systems. There's always an open ear regarding suggestions for improvement. In case of system differences in practical use, any configuration can be recreated at the internal labs, and shortly after, there will be a satisfied customer with a proper solution. Tolerances are sources of error. Only the best measuring equipment is used at SPAUN Electronic to keep them to a minimum. Commercial software is not altered to fit the specifications needed. The internal software development department writes the software for any individual SPAUN application. This is also true for circuit board and hardware development. Only proprietary concepts and innovations allow a high-quality standard and make SPAUN multi-switches be one step ahead, also in the future. Development over more than 25 years and the experience resulting from that have created a diverse product range. SPAUN products fulfill highest quality expectations for different applications and usage in any location. The basis for that is permanent control during production, as well as understanding of various demands for everyday use. In order to comply with this standard, all produced appliances are tested in SPAUN's own climatic chamber. This test allows SPAUN Electronic to guarantee use of their products at ambient temperatures between -20 and +50 degrees centigrade. The inspection officers have the necessary test control center at their disposal on the premises at headquarters in Singen for technical certification of all products. The products are not only tested here to make sure that shielding directives comply to regulations. They have been tested continuously during their entire development process. Therefore, SPAUN Electronic integrated one of 3 existing GT EM cells in Germany to leave nothing to chance with the EMC data. The pig serves as a symbol of the company's philosophy, meaning that SPAUN offers an all-in-one solution. SPAUN Electronic, high-quality products for everyday use. Made in Germany.